how to let people in from waiting room on Zoom. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll put you through how you can let people in from waiting room on Zoom. Okay, so how do you do this? Is very simple. Like it's very simple. Okay, so the first step is to schedule a meeting. Okay, and the first step is to start a meeting. So let's assume that you scheduled a meeting already. So once you've done that, move to the left side of the screen. Under the profile icon, you see the meetings option. So you click on it. After clicking on meetings, you'll be taken to the meetings page. On this page, you'll see your meeting that has been scheduled. So you want to start it, click on start, and then you'll be directed to another page where you have to like open the launcher and all of that. So once you launch your meeting, once your meeting is launched and it has started, you will be brought to a page where you will see the meetings page. Alright, you will be brought automatically to the meetings page. Now, once you're on this meetings page, you can continue with your meeting, right? So whenever someone enters the meeting, they would see a screen indicating they are in the waiting room. All right, and you also, as the host, you will see a message indicating that someone is in the waiting room, and then you will see a box. You'll see remove or admit. All right, remove or admit. So to admit the person or to let the person in, just click on admit, and the participants will be allowed to join immediately. All right, or instead, if you've disabled the notifications, you can just click on see waiting room to manage participants, and there you can decide to add the people, or you can decide to block them, or you can decide to remove them. So that is how to do it. All right, that is how to do it. This is how you can let people in from the waiting room. Thanks for joining, and thanks for watching.